I read an article on the things that you should do here in Seattle, and one of them was brewery taste. They have a number of different breweries around the city with great selection of beer. I tried a couple yesterday. I didn't quite finish, so I'm gonna meet up with so I'm planning on meeting up with my friend and getting a few more of those. I actually see it. It's right there. That's the place I'm visiting now, but right before I walk in, I've heard about this place as well. It's called Starbucks Reserve. This is supposed to be like a Starbucks on steroids. I may have time to come by and check it out. I may not. However, this is what it looks like from the outside. All right, let's go drink some beer. All right, guys, so we had our beer. It was great. We had a double IPA, which is always delicious. And thanks, boss. And just like I said, we're gonna check out the Starbucks Reserve. Hi.
Hi. Hello.
Starbucks Reserve.
Say hello, whoever.
This is
My name is Taylor.
Taylor. Nice to meet you. I almost hit a lady. What do you guys think?
It was awesome. Yeah, awesome.
Just like that. Amazing, huge, different, never seen it like
Pt.2.
Pt.2, never seen anything like it before. We're moving on to more alcohol.